This is the box that the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip comes in. As you can see, the packaging is minimalist with only the phone's name on the side and a Z logo on the front. The box itself is covered with a sleeve. After removing that, there's nothing much to see other than the word flip. Let's go ahead and see what we get inside. The first thing we see is a welcome card, since this is a luxury product. We'll put that aside. Next up is a sleeve in which there is a SIM eject tool, a hard plastic case for the phone, and the usual set of documents. Finally, we get to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip itself. Let's take it out of its plastic wrapping and boot it up. We have the mirror black version with us. While the phone is starting up, let's take a look at the rest of the box contents. There's a charger, a USB-C to USB-A dongle, a USB Type-C cable, and finally a pair of earphones which have been tuned by aayegi along with extra ear tips. Here's a quick look at everything that you get inside the box of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. The Galaxy Z Flip features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus dynamic AMOLED display on the inside, which folds when the phone is closed. On the outside, there's a tiny 1.1-inch color OLED touchscreen on which you can see the time as well as notifications. You can also use this external display as a viewfinder when taking a selfie using the outer cameras. On the right, you get the volume buttons and a power button that doubles up as a fingerprint sensor. There's a single nano SIM tray on the left. At the bottom, you'll find a USB Type-C port and a single speaker. Finally, the top of the phone is blank. Samsung has designed a hideaway hinge for the Galaxy Z Flip, which is completely hidden when you open this phone all the way. Not only that, but the company says it has also added some micro bristles which are supposed to help eject dust particles every time you open or close the hinge. Only time will tell how effective this design is. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC, coupled with 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage. On the software front, the smartphone runs Samsung's One UI 2.1 based on Android 10. There's a 3300 mAh battery under the hood and fast charging is supported. For photos and videos, the Galaxy Z Flip features a rear dual camera setup which comprises of a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera with an f1.8 aperture as well as a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with an f2.2 aperture. You also get a 10-megapixel punch-hole camera at the top of the folding interior display, which has an f2.4 aperture and can be used for selfies and video calls. The color options for this phone are mirror black, mirror purple and mirror gold.